you're doing?
Nothing.
You're doing nothing? It's like a snow cone to me.
Yeah.
Don't put your tongue on that. It's a knife. Oh, it's not. See? There's nothing on that that can hurt you.
What?
Have fun.